Yo, day 25. Let's go. Just a quick overview. Um, we took these trades, the ones that say active. Took a sell here. We had a sweep, displacement, retrace, enter, but we didn't get to the other external liquidity. Instead, we continued the expansion of Asia session. And similar thing here, we didn't take profit here, and we're targeting these Asia lows, which had some decent liquidity. Yeah, price still came back up, hit our stop loss, and is now at this point here. We then had ADD CAD, similar thing. We swept Asia highs, and then we displaced downwards, retraced a little bit, and I was targeting these Asia lows, and again we didn't hit TP. So price reversed on us. We also have a news at 12:30, which was CAD, which is negative, which is probably why we reversed. Maybe people anticipated that. I don't know. Nevertheless, we took 3 L's today, I think. So yes, 3 L's. So add these back to the watch list. So what we're going to do is scan. So here, okay, we're going to scan the market. So here we've swept. Hold on. We've swept Asia highs. We also swept Asia lows. Okay, let me look at the daily. Okay. I think we could drop here. The main thing would be finding an area of entry. I'm looking for an imbalance. And a good one at that. We're yet to create. Let's go put this in sweep displays for now. CAD JPY, we were looking for price to come back down to this area. We didn't break Asia highs, so this could generally actually be a move upwards. However, we want the displacement to break market structure, and the nearest high is over here. So it helps us get out of these types of trades where there's a lot of bearish pressure. So I won't be entering this, despite it kind of giving us a trigger for both. We'll just add it to the watch list for now. GBP Swiss franc, we swept Asia highs. We were looking for a retracement after this displacement, which broke structure. All these lower, higher highs over here got broken with this movement here, and was waiting for price to retrace. It didn't, and it did reach Asia lows. So we would probably just keep this our watch list, maybe even at Forex. I don't think it's watch list worthy. NZD Swiss franc, we are not liking that. Just put that straight here. Okay. CAD Swiss franc, doesn't like it, but that move is gone. Euro JPY. Okay, so we've just swept Asia highs right now. We swept the lows of Asia, swept the highs of Asia. We could be dropping here. We just need some displacement. Not liking that. All that. So I'll just put it in here, waiting for a sweep. Euro GBP. Swept the lows, displaced upwards, didn't retrace. Pretty much broke Asia highs, targeted these yesterday, New York highs. Didn't reach it, nearly did. And we're now looking to drop. Don't see any clean placements. USD Swiss franc. Had a displacement, nearly going to this trade right here, and would have been a nice one, but we didn't get in. And yeah, it's just now Forex level was with this place delivered. Like we swept, cool, but it's not really that great. AU, if we swept. UJ, same thing. GU, GPCAD, hello. Okay, now this looks interesting. So we displaced or swept the Asia lows, swept Asia highs. We could deliver downwards with the New York opening. We've displaced upwards. We would probably want this to turn into a, that's the 3 minute timer, sorry. We'll just say we marked it. Yep, done this. UAED. continuation, if anything, and would have probably been looking to get in around here. Here, and this is here. Drag that across. There you go. You have a continuation, but I'm not a fan of it anyway. Yep. Already moved. This could be a nice buy, actually. We need a. I'd want a deeper retracement. Best looking trade we've seen so far, though. Oops. Okay. Okay. I can look at these ones. Yeah. Even about news. Okay, there's no more news. I'm liking this. It's not as nice of a restored ratio, but just put something light on it. It'll be good. What is this USD CAD? Okay, we've been to this. So with the spreads, we go in at 2-1. Cool. Now, do we target Asia highs or London highs? I think we'll target Asia highs. Hold on. There's going to be liquidity up here. This swing high. Go for this. Two nine. Ooh. With GBP Swiss franc, could be entering buys. We swept, displaced to the downside, swept Asia lows, consolidated a little bit. We displaced over here, but it broke structure, which is a key to price going up. we just needed a deeper retracement, and then we'll probably want to set our stop loss over here, and then we can target this London liquidity up here, which hasn't been touched, which is also a swing high. This is something I'm really looking at. Okay, Euro JPY. On the other hand, we're just waiting for a displacement that we're satisfied with, which could be now, but we have to wait obviously 8 minutes. There's not set in stone this one, but it's a placeholder, and then we need a retracement to such. With GBP Swiss franc, I'm liking it. It's pulling back down. So spread. Four, five, five. Eight, eight. And then the 44857. That. And then we're gonna push this through as well. What's this? GBP 6 right? Now that we're in these two, we want to now mark off key areas. So maybe when price gets to here. Let's see how it reacts to that. And with this one, same thing, just over here. I doubt much. Oh wait, we can, hold on, I've got a better idea. See what happens if price gets up here. Those are two trades we'll take him. And yeah, this might be another short stream, but it's pretty simple really. We wait for sweep of the lows, a displacement in the opposite direction, and then we would enter on the retrace. Same thing happened here. We swept Asia lows. To be fair, we swept Asia highs as well. We swept Asia lows. We displaced, breaking this market structure here, and then we bought the retracement to this fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame, targeting London highs. The difference between this one and this one, well, actually, it's not really different because they both broke market structure. You can see we're making low lows and low highs here. This displacement broke market structure. That's the why we use the displacement, and not like, for example, this displacement right here, right? So the displacement broke market structure. This displacement here broke these highs over here. So that's why we use them instead of other options. And let's see what we can. Okay, still have 5 minutes on the clock. We can close it, and yeah, that's it for today. I think. I mean, we took 3 trades. In the morning, and as you can see from the telegram, today is the 16th. So I entered this, which was this one, 80 Swiss franc. That hit stop loss. I think I hit straight stop loss. I think. This one went into profit, and then quickly went back to stop loss. This one was even 10 minutes. Went up to down here, but I wasn't taking partials. I should have took partials down at this liquidity here. It's my fault. And then this one again, I should have taken liquidity or partials here at least. This one also reversed. So both of these and this one too reversed the stop loss. I didn't close. This one again should have taken it down here, but that's on me. And that's why I've set these alerts this time around so that when price gets close to this area, see how it reacts, potentially take partials, and same for the roughly the midpoint of this fair value gap, which lines up with this kind of bullish, I guess, one bullish candlestick over here. So that's going to be the 2 trades we take. We don't have any news for the rest of the day. Next news is tomorrow. I don't know what I just did there at 3:30 a.m. So we won't be affected by the I guess, like economical news. And yeah, we just hold these trades and see what happens. And then obviously we set the alerts. If it's stop loss, it is stop loss. But we set the alerts for if price gets to an area where, okay, do we need to take profits here? Do we need to take partials? And if we need to, and then move our stop loss to break even, for example. Those will be reviewed and revisited if our alerts get cooked. Hit, sorry. So for now, what I do is I leave I close it, and I have trading view on my phone, and notifications turned on. And then if price gets to a good area, it will then notify my phone. I will then check on my computer, see what I need to do, and then if it's stop loss, I take the losses. It's part of my strategy. And then if it's still in and we've come close to the area I've marked out, we then review, okay, what is price going to do from now? And then we go from there. So yeah, appreciate you guys for tuning in. And we might do a study session tonight. We will see. And yeah, we'll go from there. But this is a shorter stream, but we've got into 2 trades. We'll see how those do, and then we'll revisit either later today or definitely tomorrow. One of the two. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. That later could be one of those two, and I will thank you guys for tuning in, watching this back, liking. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. Maybe later today. Peace.